Nestled on the western edge of Dam Thuy Trieu in Cam Ranh, the heart of south-central Vietnam, lies a 2-hectare haven. This exquisite parcel of land encompasses a shrimp farm at the forefront, surrounded by lush garden areas. Amidst this oasis stands a venerable mango orchard, bearing witness to the encroachment of urbanization and the changing climate. Ascend the rock hill that slopes gracefully down, revealing the main house and unveiling a breathtaking panorama of earth and sky. Despite the challenges posed by the arid mango orchard, receiving rainfall only 2 months a year, and the salinization of water sources, innovative solutions are employed by resilient farmers. Water retention strategies, coupled with the recycling of irrigation water, create reservoirs that sustain the flourishing surrounding gardens. The architectural vision seamlessly intertwines with the natural landscape. 2 stacked blocks form the structures, with the elongated block perched atop the highest point of the terrain. A stone road winds from the gate, offering a widened perspective of the majestic surroundings. Embracing Vietnamese traditions, the design features a spacious porch in the southeast, an expansive terrace with stone walls for insulation, and harmonious integration with the landscape. From an elevated vantage point, the roof, swimming pool, and courtyard blend elegantly with rectangular volumes, echoing the contours of the neighboring shrimp farms. Originally conceived with a green roof for insulation, architects opted for rainwater retention as a sustainable living solution. Large underground tanks store rainwater for daily use, while vast lakes harness the terrain for irrigation, ensuring the traditional mango garden thrives even in rainless months. Perched atop a rocky hill, the house offers panoramic views under the solitary ancient mango tree. Massive 3.2 glass doors, strategically placed under the tree's watchful gaze, minimize the ecological footprint, creating a seamless harmony between indoor and outdoor spaces.